Today we have this easy origami three-pointed Shuriken, ninja star, or sword concealed in hand. Want to see how to fold it? Let's go. So, you take your dollar, we're going to make the equilateral triangle base. So you line it up, don't fold it. We're just going to make a pinch mark. You line it up in half and pinch right down here. Then you take this point and put it on the line, the pinch mark, while making a point right here. Line up your points really well before you crease it. Everything's looking good. It's just a little bit off. Whoops. So, but anyway, there you go. You can make your point better. Crease it good. And we're going to fold along this raw edge by putting this edge to the top edge. Just like that. Now you slide the triangle that way till you get a nice point here. Crease that down. Again, mine slipped. If you take a little bit more time, you make a better one than in the video. So that edge is at the crease. Now you fold up along this raw edge to that point, lining these edges, and push it again. Make it nice and tight point right here. Crease it on down. Flip it over. Fold this over that edge. Nice and tight. Crease it. And tuck it inside. Tuck it inside the raw edge flap right here where the other one is. Okay, so now you've got the equilateral triangle, and you fold from each point to the center of each side. To do that, you line up these 2 points. So you line these up and make the best point you can over here. That's going to be the point of the star. Crease that really well all the way across. Open. Do the next one. Don't let it kink in here. Line that up all the way to your point, nice and sharp. Crease it down really good. Open it up. Now we've got these two. One more. Fold in half. Way to the point. This one is doing that a couple of times on me. There we go. You want to get a good crease at each end. Now open it up and pinch these corner creases in. All 3 of them should look like this on the other side. You want a nice point. And what we're going to do is mark that point because it's kind of hard to see. So now we've got a little dot in the center there. So open it back up. Now you fold this center line to the point, straight across. You've got that little center line mark and your point mark. Get this nice and even, same size on both sides. Crease it down, open it up, and do each side. Right to the center, crease it down. Right to the center, crease it down. Now open it up. Now pinch these points again and let these sides come straight up. So you pinch all three. So now you have a little, get your points lined up now. So now you have a little, put it down on a flat surface and continue to pinch in, keeping these vertical. Now don't let your folds to the point slip. And you push in the center and you push that up. Just do it part way. Then rotate, do the next one, push it up. Keep these points good. Pinch right here. Good. So it doesn't slip. Push in here. Okay, and then just keep twisting around like that. More and more until it lays down. Nice and flat. And there it is. We've just got to push in these creases some. If you put it in a real thick book or a book with a weight on it, that'll help. But there it is. Pretty quick and easy. 3-pointed ninja shuriken. Throwing star. Sword concealed in hand. Enjoy.